Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to delete apps on your Xiaomi 12 Pro. When you start from the beginning, you have a lot of apps on your Xiaomi 12 Pro. You can see here some of them, and you can see also here some of them, and here more apps, you can see some of them. But perhaps you don't use Spotify, or you don't use TikTok, or you don't want to buy from Amazon Shopping, or you don't want to use Facebook here as an app. So perhaps you want to delete some apps, and here is a specialty. You can't delete every app. Well, I will show you first how to delete app which is deletable. So okay, just imagine you're using Amazon Prime Video, but you don't use Netflix, or you don't use I don't know, here Zoom. So you just press your finger, and then a new menu will appear, and you can see here remove, and then it's removed. Or you can see go here to Spotify, and then you click on remove, and then it's removed. Okay, that's great. Now we don't have them here, but these apps still remain because you don't have deleted them directly, but you just deleted the shortcut. And you can see here that the apps are still here. Zoom is still here. So if you want to delete apps, you don't go here from your quick start menu, but you must go here inside. And when you are inside, here you can go to Zoom and then press here, and then you can see here uninstall. Uninstall Zoom. Uninstall will remove all the app data. I say uninstall, and then it's gone. So now it's really deleted. So these are only shortcuts, okay? So these shortcuts don't change anything. But if you want to delete an app directly, then you go here, and then you can delete it. Let's try with Netflix, and you can see also here uninstall. And we can go to photos, and then you can see here uninstall, or we go here to Google, and then oh, where's the uninstall? Well, that's what I said to you earlier. Not every app can be uninstalled because it's an Android phone. Google says, okay, you cannot uninstall here this Google app. Let's try with Maps. What's with Maps? No. Okay, Google is also making money with it, so they tell you cannot uninstall the Maps. So what's with the settings? Oh, okay, now I just did a wrong thing. Let's try again. Here, settings. Okay, again, I cannot uninstall the settings. Okay, that's of course normal, because if you uninstall the settings, you cannot put it in anymore. So there are some apps that you cannot uninstall, where you can just say, okay, I don't want to have them here on my screen, and then of course I can change here this place where they are, and I will move this back again. So this is how you uninstall apps and delete apps on your Xiaomi 12 Pro. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.